A quick replay of a chess game. Efim versus Bobby Fischer, 1962. This positional gem shows why Geller was one of the few players in the world with a plus score against Fischer. 5 wins, 4 losses, 2 draws.
A little earlier, at the Stockholm Interzonal, Fischer had tried the flank development of his queen's bishop against me, but had failed to equalize. It was clear to me that the American grandmaster would not simply abandon his favorite variation, but would try to find an improvement for black. And of course countermeasures were taken on my part, so that his 10th move did not catch me unawares.
After this sealed move, black resigned.